Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show and hide layers in Figma. This is an essential skill for managing complex designs, as it allows you to focus on specific elements without the clutter of everything else on your canvas. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, go ahead and open your Figma file. Once you've got your design workspace open, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the Layers panel, which is essentially the control center for managing all the elements in your design. This panel displays a hierarchical view of everything on your canvas, from individual shapes to entire groups and frames. Now that you're in the Layers panel, take a moment to locate the specific layer or group that you want to hide. You can scroll through the list if you're working with a particularly complex file with lots of elements. The organization here mirrors the structure of your design, so nested items will appear indented under their parent groups. Here's where it gets interesting. Hover your mouse over the layer name you want to hide. When you do this, you'll notice that some previously hidden icons appear next to the layer. These icons give you quick access to visibility controls and other layer properties without having to dig through menus. Among these icons, you'll see an open eye icon. Click on this eye icon to hide the layer. As soon as you click it, the icon will change to a closed eye, and simultaneously the object will disappear from your canvas. This is perfect when you need to temporarily remove elements from view while you work on other parts of your design. The layer isn't deleted, it's simply hidden from sight. If you want to make the layer visible again, simply click the closed eye icon once more. The icon will revert back to an open eye and your object will reappear on the canvas exactly where it was before. This toggle functionality makes it incredibly easy to switch between showing and hiding elements as you refine your design. There's also an alternative method worth knowing about. You can right-click directly on an object on your canvas and look for the Show/Hide option in the context menu that appears. This gives you another way to quickly control visibility without needing to navigate through the Layers panel, which can be handy when you're working quickly, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to efficiently show and hide layers in Figma, giving you better control over your design workspace and helping you focus on what matters most at any given moment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.